Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and welcome to a brand new, sleek, polished, and modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Now let's begin the tour. Immediately upon entering the pedestrian gate, to your left, you have a carport area for 3 vehicles. So this makes for convenient parking because of the parallel arrangement, and I love that it's completely covered, and I also like the ceiling height with that wooden design. And you have access here towards the side of the house and the back of the house, and I love how wide this area is. And you also have an additional security gate, and this is also where you can potentially hang clothes. And you have access here towards the auxiliary area and service areas, which we will explore later. And right here, you have your driver's room. So the property just finished construction, so there's going to be a glass covering over here for the window. Let's head on over towards your main entry. Now let's talk about the property size. This home has a floor area of approximately 318 square meters and a lot area of 280 square meters. And right now, I just want to talk about how soothing this main entry area is because it's covered. You have this cladding design right here and such a refreshing sight of having the landscaped area all along the perimeter of the house. And you also have these pavers and pebbles leading all the way to the back of the house. And let's go. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your living area, and you have an open concept plan for your living and dining space. And you have such a well-lit room because of all of these windows along this side of the property. And you can even have additional ventilation by opening up this sliding door. So you have that natural breeze flowing into the home. And from here, you can easily have a large living room set. And then on this side, you have your dining area. Your dining area, once again, is so bright because it has these large windows on one side and a sliding door leading out to a tiled additional patio space. You have a relaxing area right here at the back of the house and a covered space where you can have a table and a couple of chairs as an additional amenity area on top of your dining space. And now let's head on in. And from your dining area, which can fit a table for 6 to 8 people, depending on the orientation, you have your modern kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is it's already ready for use. you have a 2-level island countertop, which has a very nice modern look. And you can have some stools right here to make it a nice breakfast nook. And you can imagine having family or friends over while having your meal prepped right here. And it already has built-in appliances such as an Elba branded microwave and oven and an LG branded refrigerator. And you have a stainless steel sink, and right here you have an Elba branded range hood and induction cooktop as well. And it's easy to navigate, but at the same time there's so much space, lots of storage. Even the island countertop was maximized, and you have a large window over the sink area giving you natural light for the space. And you also have nice cove lighting for the kitchen and dining area. From your kitchen space, you have this swinging door leading towards your auxiliary kitchen area. You have access here to the circuit breakers of the property, and then you have a provision here if you want to have a second refrigerator or if you want to have another oven right here. And on top of that, you already have a 3-burner cooktop here and an Elba branded range hood as well, on top of the induction cooktop and range hood in the main kitchen. And on this side, I love how the designers of the property already organized this indoors with a heavy wash sink for your laundry and a Samsung branded washer and dryer already included with the property. So that's one less thing to worry about in purchasing a brand new home. And then you have this heavy duty door right here leading towards the side of the house. So what's nice is this area is already completely covered, and you have a staff bathroom right here and then a staff room right here. Okay. And then you can access the back of the house from here towards the patio and dining area. Okay, let's head back in. And now through the auxiliary space and the kitchen, we're back in your main amenity spaces. And right here, very conveniently beside the living and dining spaces, you have your powder room, already with a lighted mirror as well and floor-to-ceiling tiling. It has a very clean and polished look. And on top of that, right beside that, you have the first room in the house right here. So you have a wooden design for the flooring, indirect lighting, and then you also have built-in cabinetry on the other side and a Daikin split-type inverter air conditioning unit already included. So all the 5 rooms in this property already have an air conditioning unit. And you also have an additional provision here for lighting in case you want to have your own personal touch for the room. And this can easily fit even potentially a queen-sized bed. And it has an ensuite bathroom. So I'm gonna walk in so you can appreciate the size. So the house just finished construction, so there are still some small items that are getting finished. So right here, this is a lighting provision that's just getting finished, but you can see the very nice lighted mirror as well. And it even tells the time also. I'd also like to point out that you even have a shadow line for the ceiling, which adds depth and character to the room. Okay. And now we're back here in your main living area, and now we're going to talk about one of the defining features of this property, the elevator. What's nice is this can conservatively fit about 2 to 3 people, and you also have a clear glass door. So you can see as you go up and down the 2 levels of the property. And this is excellent for people who want a future-proof home. Meaning, even as you go into your golden years, you won't have a problem in terms of mobility and using the entire property. And on this side, you also have the power source of the elevator. And of course, this is going to get covered up. I'd also like to add that your living and dining areas also have a split type air conditioning unit. So your 5 rooms and your main amenity areas are all provided for in terms of air conditioning. And now let's head on up towards the second level. Let's go. I like the design of this property such that the staircase doesn't get in the way of the spacing of the living and dining area. But at the same time, it's given this high ceiling area to add to the facade of the house and to give natural light to the entire second level hallway. You can even potentially have a small light fixture right here to add more character to the space. In addition, you have a very sturdy railing with a natural wood design and tempered glass barriers as well. And right here at the second level, you can see you have immediate access towards the elevator. Now, just to add, the aesthetic isn't finished yet. So this is going to get improved. There's going to be an additional design right here. So this isn't the finished product, but it's just been installed. But at least now you can see the positioning of the elevator. Okay? And right here, let's take a look at the second bedroom in the house, which is also the primary bedroom. Let's go. So you immediately have storage right here, a walk-in closet space, and such an open feel. You have a large window as well, and you can easily have your bed on this side or on this side. It's up to you how you want to orient it. Another nice aspect for this area is the ceiling height and the cove lighting. Once again, you have a provision here for your own light fixture after you purchase the property. And once again, you have, just like the ground floor bedroom, that natural wooden design. And I like how pulido the installation is of the flooring. As you walk all around the rooms, you don't feel any lumps or raised areas. It feels completely flat. So that's a sign of great quality construction and finishing. And right here you have your walk-in closet space. So what's nice is you have a large window here. Of course, you can easily have this covered with rolling blinds or curtains for privacy. This is facing the front of the house, and you have a lot of storage right here. And the designers have left this open, but it's up to you if you want to have a door installed here after purchasing the property. And once again, you have your Daikin inverter split type air conditioning unit. So you have a walk-in closet area and then even additional storage right here. And then you have your bathroom on this side. So the tempered glass barrier is just about to be installed right here. But you can see also your lighted mirror, and you also have a nice clean modern finish for the tiles as well. For the direction of the property as well, this corner is facing east. So the house was designed such that the primary or master bedroom is facing the morning sun. And we have the third, fourth, and fifth bedrooms. Let's go. The third bedroom is a corner room, and it's noteworthy that the house beside us is lower, so you have a more open view and more ventilation as well. And you don't have a window of a neighbor right here. And what's nice is this might not be a primary bedroom, but this is large enough even if you have family members who are already teenagers or adults, or also this would make for a nice additional home office as well. It's up to you. And right here, it has an ensuite bathroom. And this particular bathroom already has the tempered glass shower enclosure. And what's nice is the mechanism feels very smooth and well constructed. And then once again, your lighted mirror on this side. And also you have built-in storage right here. And right beside it, you have your fourth bedroom. Once again, a corner room on the other side of the house. So if the master bedroom was facing the east side, this is facing the west side of the property. Of course, in the afternoons, you can easily have some curtains right here to shield from the sun. And it's quite cool also in the mornings. And this can easily fit even a queen-sized bed. And you already have storage once again. So the designs of the bathrooms are very similar. The difference of this particular bathroom is that it has an additional space right here, which can be maximized for additional storage. And now it's time to take a look at the fifth bedroom of the house. So once again, you have that cove lighting. And then this can fit a semi-double bed in terms of the size. And you can have your television set on this side. And once again, built-in storage. And then you have your bathroom right here. And just to note, this has a warm setting and then a white light setting as well. And then the bathroom. I'm just gonna step in so you can see the space. And I like the recessed area right here, even with lighting. So that's a nice touch for the shower area. That wraps up our house tour of this brand new home here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. More about this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale with an elevator, you can contact us to our information in the description below. You can also follow us and send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.